Hey, my name is Alex, and thank you so much for the opportunity. So for the past 2 weeks, or about 1 week now, we've been hard at work trying to find a real problem inside BenchSci. So we've been talking to Abdul, our mentor, and our mentors at TKS, and we've really recognized this problem of productivity loss that's happening at BenchSci. So this is the executive summary. We'll get into the specific parts of this. So what is the problem? Okay, BenchSci has been doubling in size for the past year, and the problem is new hires, new employees always keep, not always as they should, ask questions that are not even in the onboarding. So questions like, hey, what's my insurance coverage? Can I get an employee letter? How do I, both technical and general questions, how do I update this database? So which database do I use? How does the workflow of the technical side go, right? So questions that are specific but mundane, or like are important to a person's workflow but are overlooked throughout onboarding. But what often happens with these questions, they've already been asked, right? So they're on Slack but people have answered them, other past employees have answered them, but new employees don't see that and keep posting it on Slack, and employees have to take time out of their day and answer them, working their workflow. And for the employee who's asking, they have to wait for the response, right? So we're hurting both of their workflow. And the thing is, every employee, the other problem is that every employee every day is bombarded by 60 to 100 texts about random things, right? So whether it's calendars, tasks, and less priority stuff. So the problem is, employees have to come in at 9 and sit for a whole hour and prioritize these things. What are the things I have to get done today? What are the things my employees are telling me? What are the things my coworkers are telling me? What are the things my manager is telling me? And things like that. And to sort out the priority of what to get done. And it takes so much time and effort every single morning. Then they have to start their work, right? So it takes a lot of time into focus hours that's lost, almost an hour a day per employee. That's 400 employees, and that's about 104,000 hours lost, right? And equated to like a 90K salary per biotech employee. BenchSci itself is losing $4.5 million in lost productivity. And we have a solution. Meet BenchSci, a BenchBot. So our solution really corners three markets, three pillars, and one is that it indexes all the Q&A questions, or like past inquiries, documents, HR reports, internal docs, things like that, and you could remotely. It's a Slack bot that you could just ask questions, and if it knows the answer, or if it's a relevant search answer, it finds it for you and instantly replies. This is how do you get an employee letter, or email this person. This is which database do I update? Oh, this one is the right one for your department. So things like that, and it works 24/7. There's no problem with you're not hurting, you're not working anyone's workflow, and it's instant replies, so nobody has to lose time. And the other thing is personalized communication. So the thing about the 60 time they spend prioritizing tests is reduced down into like 30 minutes, where 10 minutes, where you come in every morning, you see the top 5 tasks you got to do that day, and it's there for you. This is the thing that you got to get done today, and the rest of the day is for you to figure out what other communication you have to look at after. And we also have one quick response, where things like email, where you don't want to type in a whole answer, you just click one thing and it uses AI to give an appropriate answer, and you have a few options. And also with the personalized communication, the thing is that efficiency maximized. So every morning you're only sitting 5 minutes, not even, it's there for you every morning. So we thought about the ethical and safety concerns with encrypting all data, and it's using OpenAI. And for cost, it's only $11,000 per year, and that's per year per employee, and that's nothing when compared to the wins.